Hey, it's Alan here from Advanced Manufacturing Queensland. I'm here with Martin from Hyundai. We've got a project in the background which Martin's going to talk to us about. Hyundai is the third largest automaker in the world, so we're excited to talk about the vehicle behind us. But Martin will be able to talk to you about it.
I think actually it's really interesting that we're using Boss Cap here in Brisbane. One, being a Brisbane boy, I'm really proud to see that Brendale's coming to the market and producing this vehicle from left to right-hand drive for us. Hyundai have been producing hydrogen fuel cell vehicles since 2010. We've had them in America. We've had the fuel cell truck now in Switzerland, which we have 48 of these running with over 10 million kilometres already clocked up. In New Zealand, we have several units over there running with one with New Zealand Post that's just gone past the 200,000 kilometres. So it's a tried and tested product, and we were looking for someone to partner with to ensure that we could get the quality that we require to take it from being a left-hand drive to right-hand drive vehicle. So the product you see behind us is one that we've already had converted from right-hand drive. And we have our new one, which will be arriving in 2 days' time into Brisbane, and she'll come straight in here. And then that truck will eventually go to Gas into WA, where there's a large hydrogen plant currently being built to service the Western Australian hydrogen market.
Can you just talk about what in particular led you here?
So we needed someone who could understand dealing with high voltage. Hydrogen's not a dangerous product, but it does have its complications and it's not up for everyone. So you need to have a specialised workforce. And that was something that led us to where we are today. We're dealing with a company that, as you can see around us, there's plenty of EVs that are being converted from left-hand drive to right-hand drive, but their workforce understand the workplace health and safety issue. And that's a priority for anyone who's wanting to get into the mining department. So for us, it was a no-brainer. You're dealing with someone who's got that expertise. We only need to polish it up by showing them how to deal with hydrogen.